Hi everyone, this is JD of Gadget Rev. Now we're going straight to the comparison video. Xiaomi 17T Pro versus Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is selfie video recording and the audio test. 4K 30 FPS on both phones. Look at the exposure and the colors. This is against the light. Which phone is doing better on this situation? Again, 4K 30 FPS is a good sunny day today. We'll be able to test a lot of things from daylight images, night shots, videos. I think that's it for our selfie video recording and the audio test. Let the battle begin. On the ultra-wide daylight, we got wider field of view on Galaxy S26 Ultra. In terms of colors, I think this is closer in reality. While we got a warmer looking Xiaomi 17T Pro, the colors are also a bit vivid, also closer in reality, but just a step more saturated compared to the competition. On the main sensor, very different approach on both phones. Again, natural looking colors on S26 Ultra, sometimes a bit dull to be honest. While the colors on the new Xiaomi T series is great, Leica tuned colors that a lot of people might love. And on the zoom, we got two focal lengths on Galaxy S26. We got 3x and 5x, while we got 5x optical on Xiaomi 17T Pro. There's just more details on the S26 on 5x and smoother on the Xiaomi, but going for the maximum zoom, we got more details on the Xiaomi phone. This is the horizon lock feature on S26 Ultra. As you can see, I can rotate the phone, and S26 Ultra will be horizontally framed on the shot. Now this is portrait video, so 1080p 30 FPS on Xiaomi 17T Pro, and we got 4K 30 FPS on Galaxy S26 Ultra. Quickly checking the video with human in frame. So this is the ultra wide. This is the main sensor test. We got 3x on S26 Ultra, and this is 5x on both phones. Really good portrait battle on both phones. We got a stronger contrast and brighter on Xiaomi 17T Pro, a more dramatic than the toned down look of S26 Ultra. I love the edge detection on both phones. They're pretty spot on.
But if you don't, you should really get in tune. No bad attitude.
On 2x, I like the colors on S26 Ultra. The shirt is closer in reality compared to a brighter and warmer Xiaomi flagship, but I think the Xiaomi phone is more beautified and eye-catching than the Galaxy phone. On portrait zoom, this is a win for Galaxy S26 Ultra. We got two focal lengths, 3x and 5x, while we only have 5x on Xiaomi 17T Pro. Both phones are using their optical zoom, so you would see creamier background blur. And on the selfie, there's gradual blur on S26 Ultra. Looking at my wife's face, it's a bit blurry now, and still looking at the face, you'll get more details on S26 Ultra.
This is just what you love.
Now testing the video quality, starting with the ultra wide. This is 0.6x on both phones. Look at the quality of the video. We got a wider field of view on S26 Ultra. Look at the color of the sky. Purplish on Xiaomi 17T Pro and bluish on Galaxy S26 Ultra. Look at the pool side. Going to the main sensor test. Again, look at the colors. We got closer in reality for S26 Ultra, but look at the details. Very detailed on both phones. This is the exposure. Look at the clouds and the street right here. Again, looking at the pool and the color of the buildings, closer in reality for S26 Ultra. We also have 3x optical on Galaxy S26 Ultra. We can do digital crop on Xiaomi 17T Pro. This is 3x. Look at the details. Over sharpened look on 17T Pro and natural looking on S26 Ultra. And going for 5x zoom. This is the quality of the video for both phones. We got stronger contrast on 17T Pro, and again natural looking tone on S26 Ultra. Look at the roads right here and the clouds. Switching back to the main sensor, let's check some night shots. Starting with the selfie, we got a sharper night shot on Xiaomi 17T Pro. On the ultra wide, I would probably prefer the shots on S26 Ultra. It's more detailed and sharper, and the white balance is better compared to Xiaomi 17T Pro.
To the front, tongue tied. Wannabes wanna be us, no lie. 4K getting angles, grip my waist with the bass going bang, bang, bang.
On the main sensor test, we got HDR looking S26 Ultra. It's brighter, there's no overblown highlights, while 17T Pro is natural looking in terms of lighting conditions and also the shadows.
This ain't just another chill mix bummer. Heat up the summer. Boom, boom, make it real loud, boom.
And lastly, night shot on the zoom. I think S26 Ultra wins this comparison. Again, it's a bit soft on the 17T Pro, but it's not so bad. We just have a better sharpness on the Galaxy phone.
Million popping champagne, it's all on the ceiling. You know the feeling, yeah. Chauffeurs what I prefer. You know the game, ice cold with the cold fur.
Now checking the low light video, starting with the selfie video recording 4K 30 FPS on both phones. We can also shoot 60 FPS. Galaxy S26 Ultra versus Xiaomi 17T Pro. The latest Xiaomi Leica camera. We got really good colors on the Xiaomi phone, and you also have more details compared to a softer Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's also toned down. Let's check the rear cameras. Alright, low light video test. So using the ultra wide 4K 30 FPS on both phones. Xiaomi 17T Pro versus Galaxy S26 Ultra. Look at the exposure on both phones. Better exposed low light video on Xiaomi 17T Pro, but in terms of details and sharpness, might be Galaxy S26 Ultra. Going to the main sensor test. So this is the main sensor. Again, brighter video on Xiaomi 17T Pro. And might be sharper compared to S26 Ultra. But maybe just the screen, looking at the pool, you would see more information on Xiaomi 17T Pro. And we also have 3x optical on Galaxy S26 Ultra. So you have that extra focal length on the ultra wide. And going for 5x. Look at the details. We may have more details on S26 Ultra, looking at the plants. Again, switching to the main sensor. This is the low light video recording on both phones. Really good comparison video for these two flagship phones, Xiaomi 17T Pro and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's break down their cameras, starting with Galaxy S26 Ultra. We have more punch-in and smoother selfie video recording with good audio performance, natural looking daylight images with 2 optical zooms. We got horizon lock feature for vlogging and 4K portrait video. Portrait mode is closer in reality, cleaner and natural looking video on daylight, and better night shot and low light video overall on the rear cameras. While the latest flagship Xiaomi 17T Pro has wider selfie video recording and has good audio performance, more vivid daylight shots with better maximum zoom, more beautified video for vlogging but only full HD portrait video. The portrait mode is brighter and is more eye-candy than a Galaxy phone, more contrast on video that provides more depth to it, and better night shot and low light video for the selfie camera. I think overall, Galaxy S26 Ultra is better if you're looking for a natural looking tone. It has a horizon lock feature and 4K across all the video recording. Well, if you like the Leica tuned cameras for both images and videos, also the video is as good as Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra but cheaper. Would you go for the latest Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or the more affordable Xiaomi 17T Pro? Leave your comment down below as always. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.